Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered how many galaxies are out there in the universe? This question is not just for the star-struck dreamers, but it's one that has baffled the best minds of our world for centuries. The universe is a grand tapestry, woven with constellations that stretch far beyond our human comprehension. It's a celestial playground filled with twinkling lights that are, in fact, galaxies, each a vast, sprawling metropolis of stars, planets, and mysteries untold. But how many of these galactic metropolises exist out there? Are there hundreds, thousands, millions, or even more? This question is not as simple as counting stars in the night sky. It is a question that delves deep into the heart of our universe, testing the limits of our knowledge and understanding. Well, brace yourself for a journey through the cosmos as we unlock this mystery together. To comprehend the number of galaxies, first grasp the magnitude of our universe. Let's set off on a journey to fathom the expanse of our universe. Picture Earth, our home, a blue and green sphere floating in space. Now imagine 100 Earths lined up side by side. That's roughly the diameter of our Sun. But the Sun is just one star among billions in our galaxy, the Milky Way. Our galaxy, in its majestic spiral form, is so large that light, traveling at an incredible speed of 186,000 miles per second, takes 100,000 years to cross it. This distance is what we call a light year, the cosmic yardstick astronomers use to measure the vastness of space. But let's not stop there. The Milky Way is just one of billions, perhaps even trillions of galaxies spread out in the universe. Each one a grand cosmic city of stars, dust, and dark matter. Imagine you're on a beach. Each grain of sand under your feet represents a galaxy. If you were to count each grain on that beach, you'd probably be there for a very long time. And yet that might only represent a tiny fraction of the number of galaxies in our universe. And the universe, well, it's not static, it's expanding, growing in size with each passing second. That means the distance between galaxies is increasing. They are moving apart from each other, creating more and more space in the universe. The scale of the universe is almost impossible for our human minds to fully comprehend. It's like trying to understand infinity, a concept so vast and boundless that it defies our everyday understanding. But it's this vastness, this unfathomability that makes the universe such a fascinating place to explore. But with this sense of scale in mind, let's explore the realm of galaxies. Now that we understand the scale, how do astronomers estimate the number of galaxies? Well, let's take a dip into the cosmic ocean of knowledge to find out. The task of counting galaxies isn't as simple as tallying stars in the night sky. You see, the universe is vast and our technology, although advanced, has limitations. The vast majority of galaxies are just too distant, too faint to be detected with our current instruments. So how do we make an estimate? In the mid-90s, a groundbreaking project was launched by the Hubble Space Telescope team. They pointed the telescope to a seemingly empty patch of space, no larger than a grain of sand held at arm's length, and took an exposure over 10 consecutive days. The result was the iconic Hubble Deep Field image. This image, at first glance, might seem like a cosmic confetti, but it's much more than that. Each speck of light, each swirl of color is a galaxy. In this tiny patch of sky, there were over 3,000 galaxies. Now, let's extrapolate. If we assume that every patch of sky of the same size contains roughly the same number of galaxies, we can make an estimate. If we multiply the number of similar patches in the sky by the galaxies in each patch, we get an incredible number. This is how astronomers make the estimate. But remember, this is just an estimate. The universe is constantly expanding, and with it, our understanding. As technology advances, we're able to see further, detect fainter galaxies, and refine our estimates. So the next time you gaze upon the night sky, remember, each point of light you see is just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. Behind it lies an unfathomable number of galaxies, each filled with billions of stars and possibly countless planets. Armed with this knowledge, we can now delve into the estimated number of galaxies in the universe. So, how many galaxies are we talking about? Now, that's a question that's as vast as the universe itself. The answer, my friends, is a number that's nearly impossible to wrap our heads around. When the Hubble Space Telescope first gazed into the deep recesses of space, it gave us a glimpse of approximately 100 billion galaxies. Yes, you heard it right. 100 billion galaxies, each one teeming with billions of stars. But just like the universe, our understanding is ever expanding. As our technology advances, so does our ability to peer further into the cosmos. With the advent of more powerful telescopes and the use of infrared technology, scientists now estimate that the number of galaxies could be as high as 2 trillion. That's 2 trillion galaxies, each with its unique collection of stars, planets, and potentially life. Now, that's not a static number, it's an estimate that's constantly changing. As we continue to explore and discover, this number could increase or even decrease. Remember, we're still in the early days of understanding our universe. Every day, every discovery, every new piece of technology brings us closer to a more accurate count. Just imagine for a moment 2 trillion galaxies, each one a vast collection of cosmic phenomena, celestial bodies and mysteries waiting to be unraveled. It's a number so astronomical, it's nearly impossible to comprehend. But the beauty of this number isn't just in its magnitude, it's in what it represents. Every galaxy, every star, every planet is a testament to the vastness of our universe and the infinite possibilities it holds. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember you're gazing at just a tiny fraction of the cosmos, a cosmos that's home to an estimated 2 trillion galaxies. But what does this colossal number mean? Well, that's a question that opens doors to even more profound mysteries and implications. A universe teeming with galaxies, what could this imply? This is not just a question, but a gateway to a realm of endless possibilities and fascinating implications. When we consider the sheer volume of galaxies, each filled with billions of stars, it's hard not to wonder about the potential for life beyond our own planet. Despite our advanced technology, we've only begun to scratch the surface of our own galaxy, the Milky Way. If we extrapolate from the number of planets in our galaxy alone, the chances of alien life existing somewhere out there increase exponentially. This thought opens up a Pandora's box of questions. Are these life forms similar to us or vastly different? Are they more advanced or still in their evolutionary infancy? These questions tease the human curiosity and fuel our drive to explore and understand the universe. Now let's shift our gaze from the possibility of extraterrestrial life to the uncharted territories that await us. The universe is not just filled with galaxies, but with mysteries and wonders beyond our comprehension. Each galaxy is a separate entity with its own unique properties, structures, and phenomena. The vast number of galaxies means a vast amount of unexplored territory, each with the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Imagine the technological advancements that could come from studying other galaxies. The potential for scientific breakthroughs is mind-boggling. We could uncover new materials, energy sources, even laws of physics that we never knew existed. But perhaps the most profound implication of a universe filled with galaxies is the sense of humility it instills. With each new galaxy discovered, we are reminded of our tiny yet significant place in the cosmos. We are but a small part of a grand, intricate, and beautiful cosmic tapestry. The sheer number of galaxies illuminates the endless possibilities our universe holds. Each galaxy is a new chapter in the cosmic story, waiting to be read, and we are the eager readers, voracious for knowledge and understanding. In the grand scheme of things, where does our home, the Milky Way galaxy, fit in? To answer that, let's first understand the breadth of our cosmic neighborhood. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is vast and wondrous. Spanning around 100,000 light-years in diameter, it's an impressive size by any measure, but when we compare it to the universe, it's akin to a single grain of sand on a beach stretching beyond the horizon. The Milky Way is one of the billions of galaxies dotting the cosmic canvas, each with its own unique characteristics and celestial tales. Some are dwarf galaxies with just a few billion stars, while others, like IC 1101, are colossal giants with around 100 trillion stars. Our galaxy, with its estimated 200 to 400 billion stars, falls somewhere in the middle. Now, where in the universe is our home located? Imagine a cosmic map with galaxies as cities and superclusters as countries. We live in the outskirts of the Virgo supercluster, a massive group of galaxies in a galactic city called the Local Group. This city includes around 54 galaxies, including our close neighbors, the Andromeda and Triangulum galaxies. But no matter our size or location, the Milky Way is unique. It's the only galaxy we know of that harbors life. It's the cradle of humanity, the canvas of our history, the stage for our future. And despite its cosmic insignificance, it's of monumental significance to us. It's our home in the universe, our tiny corner in the grand cosmic theater. So as we gaze upon the night sky, let's remember that each pinprick of light might be another galaxy, far, far away. And among the billions of galaxies, there's one that's ours, one that holds the story of us. Thus, in the grand cosmic ballet, we are but one among billions. So, what's next in our cosmic journey? As we stand on the precipice of the unknown, we can't help but marvel at the vast expanses of the universe that lie unexplored. The future of space exploration and astronomy is an open book filled with blank pages waiting to be filled with knowledge and discoveries. The cosmos is like a grand symphony, and we've barely scratched the surface of the first movement. As we venture further into the depths of the universe, we're bound to uncover galaxies that defy our current understanding. Galaxies with structures so complex they challenge our theories. Galaxies so distant, their light takes billions of years to reach us, and it's not just about discovering new galaxies. Each galaxy is a universe in itself, teeming with stars, planets, black holes, and countless other celestial bodies. Each one offering a unique story about the origins of the universe, the laws of physics, and possibly even life beyond Earth. The tools we'll use to uncover these mysteries are advancing at a breathtaking pace. Telescopes that can see further and clearer, spacecraft capable of traveling to the furthest corners of our solar system and beyond. Artificial intelligence that can sift through vast amounts of data to find patterns and insights that would take humans centuries to uncover. And let's not forget the human element. The astronauts, scientists, and engineers who dare to dream and reach for the stars. Their courage, ingenuity, and relentless pursuit of knowledge are what propels us forward in this cosmic journey. The universe is a vast, beautiful, and complex place. It's a place of mystery, wonder, and infinite possibilities. It's a place that invites us to explore, to learn, and to grow. It's a place that reminds us of how small we are, and yet how capable we are of achieving great things. As we continue to peer into the cosmos, who knows how many more galaxies we'll discover. Our journey through the cosmos brings us back to our original question. How many galaxies are there in our universe? The answer, as we've uncovered, is an astronomical number. It's a figure so colossal that it boggles the mind and stretches the imagination. We're talking about billions upon billions of galaxies, each one a cosmic city teeming with stars, planets, and perhaps even life. Remember how we discussed the Hubble Deep Field image? That tiny patch of sky, seemingly empty and insignificant, revealed over 3,000 galaxies. If that's what we can find in just a speck of the cosmos, imagine what lies beyond our sight in the vast expanses of the universe. Each of those galaxies, from the tiniest dwarf galaxies with just a few billion stars to massive spiral galaxies like our own Milky Way, contributes to this grand total. And even more incredible is the fact that this number is constantly evolving. As technology advances, as our telescopes peer deeper into the universe, we continually discover more galaxies, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. This astronomical number of galaxies is more than just a testament to the sheer size of the universe. It's a testament to its complexity and diversity. Each galaxy is unique, with its own structure, history, and secrets to uncover. The universe is not a homogeneous expanse, but a rich tapestry of galaxies, each thread contributing to the overall picture. And what does this mean for us here on our little blue planet? It means that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. We are just one species on one planet, orbiting one star in one galaxy among countless others. It's a humbling thought, but also an inspiring one. It reminds us that there is so much more to discover, so much more to learn about our universe. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, each point of light might just be a whole galaxy waiting to be explored.